So my dear brothers, my racket has been broken and I came here yesterday. I gave them this one and he fixed it for me. They have, wait, let me show you. They fix the racket on this machine. Also there is another one, see. So you can tell them like how much tension you want to keep, and also you can select the string for your racket by yourself. There are different numbers and it depends on your requirement, so you can choose one of them and give it to him and he can fix it with this machine or that one, see. And everything is up to you, like which kind of player you are. You play fast, you play slow, and yeah, you are used to smashes, so it depends on you. See, these are new, I think. Yeah, these are new, and if someone wants to buy any one of them, you can buy from here. Tell him which string you want to use and how much tension, and he will do it according to your requirement. So I have done this one, fixed it, and now I'm fixing the other one.